In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to your Firebase project and assign the right roles. Our goal is simple. Invite the right people to your Firebase project and give them just the access they need. You'll want to be signed in with an account that has permission to manage project members. If you're ready, open your browser and go to console.firebase.google.com, then sign in. Once you're in the Firebase console, choose the project you want to manage from your project list. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct project by checking the project name and ID at the top of the dashboard. It's a small step, but it prevents access from being granted in the wrong place. Next, look at the left sidebar and find Project Overview. Right next to it, click the gear icon to open Project Settings. In the Settings view, select the Users and Permissions tab. This is your control center for who can access your project and what they can do. On the right side, click the Add Member button. In the dialog that appears, enter the email address for the person or group you want to invite. You can invite an individual, a Google group, an entire domain, or even a service account, depending on your needs. Double-check the address to avoid giving access to the wrong recipient. Now choose the role that matches the level of access they require. Viewer is read-only and is perfect for stakeholders who just need to look around and monitor. Editor includes viewer permissions and adds the ability to modify resources, making it suitable for developers who will change configurations or data. Owner includes editor permissions plus the power to manage roles, permissions, and billing. Because Owner is highly privileged, reserve it for a very small number of administrators. As a best practice, follow the principle of least privilege. Start with the minimum role necessary and scale up only if needed. If you want more granular control, you can assign predefined Firebase roles tailored to specific products. For example, Firebase Admin provides broad Firebase management access, while Firebase Analytics Viewer limits access to viewing analytics data. These specialized roles help you give people exactly what they need without overexposing your project. When everything looks right, click Add Member to send the invitation. This action shares the project with the selected role so they can get to work as soon as they join. That's it. You've invited a member to your Firebase project, picked the correct role, and kept your permissions tidy and secure. Thanks for watching, and keep your access clean and intentional as your team grows.